it's Colorfest. So it's when all the hot air balloons come into town. So that's why we're here. We're up early.
There are 2 right there that are starting, or 3 actually, that are beginning to inflate.
So I have to say, this isn't like my favorite thing, so maybe today will make me a believer. Something about getting up at the crack of dawn and being in the cold and watching hot air balloons just doesn't motivate me, but maybe today we'll find out if it's worth it. So Chad's the happy one. This is his thing. He's giddy. So I'm trying to have a good attitude, but it's cold. It's September, today's the 20th, right? And it's crazy how cold it's gotten. So
Said it was 46 this morning.
46 degrees,
yeah.
Which is supposed to be really good for hot air balloons, right? Like they like the cold. Maybe by the end of it, I'll be a hot air balloon enthusiast.
Oh, there's the Remax balloon. I always wanted them to be our realtors when I was little because of the hot air balloon. If you are familiar with Pagosa, so there's the hot springs, there's mountains, of course, and then hot air balloons setting up kind of all around us, and then that's the river walk. And then there's more gonna launch over here. That's good grammar, isn't it? More gonna launch over here. So they're just slowly growing, slowly blooming before us. There's the local company to call. What do you think, Dave?
I think it's humongous.
And they let you get pretty close. You're definitely not roped off watching from afar. This blue one we learned is called Mojo Rising. We're getting closer to action on this side. Green and the blue and black aren't really... Maybe that's a Minecraft one.
Yeah, it looks like one.
Sarah was asking if there'd be a Minecraft balloon, so maybe that's what that is. Dog. Which one? You wanna go look? Okay, walk over there. It's really nice. Lady just offered to take our picture, so Chad's giving her his phone number so she'll text it to him, which I think is really sweet.
They're taking off off the watch. There they go.
Oh, look! Going to, trying to go back to Kansas.
Try to go back. Oh no.
Oh no, he said, I'm gonna bump you.
Collision, that's what happens when they crash.
I mean, I don't know what you can do about it. Oh, he's gonna push him, so he's gonna pump and get his balloon really inflated and kind of knock him over. Oh, they're all just burning, trying to become aloft. There they go. This is a huge balloon, so you can see like the basket of this one has a whole bunch of people. It's a huge basket, and then that one's like just a 2-person. That one's like walking along and hasn't actually gone airborne yet. It started over there.
Wow, they shot off like...
They did. They found the right current and they're gone. Yeah. We learned too that there's different kind of air currents at every, level or every altitude. And so once they get to certain heights, it moves them around differently. What?
That one's far away up.
Oh.
Look at that one.
Yeah.
That one.
There's another one coming out. These people are in a hurry. They want to join the parade. Like, hurry up, hurry up. Like, I can only go so fast on my little legs. Did you see it touch the water?
Yeah.
How was it?
I saw the water dripping from it.
Oh, you saw it drip?
Yeah.
That's cool. Here it comes. They're gonna do it. Woo! They did it! Well, what'd you think of that one? I finally saw it.
Good. You're about to see some more. There's another one lining up.
Yeah, I can't. The sun is cooking. Ooh, are they gonna touch water or rocks? That's what we need to find out.
Water
Ooh,
or
ooh,
rocks?
ooh, ooh.
Rocks, rocks, rocks.
Little bumpy, almost. There we go.
Touch it.
There he goes. Oh! That the hot air balloons won me over. It was so much fun this morning. The enthusiasm of all the pilots and their whole crew and how much fun they were having really made it worthwhile. And then seeing how skilled they were with being able to touch down in certain parts was pretty incredible. So I think I may be a believer in the hot air balloon thing. Now we are going to the evening glow, and hopefully it's just as much fun. We'll see how good the footage is that I can get at night, because you know how cameras and darkness aren't always the best of friends. Very lucky to have a beautiful sunset tonight. I'll tell you, the Remax balloon's been on point all day. They've been on time and under budget. so they're rocking and tipping so much. The wind's picked up. Everyone's cheering as they rock back and forth. Oh, there they go.
Oh no, one went
Oh
down.
no! Ah, the Minecraft balloon. Can you see with the light?
They blew the thing to open it up.
Well, I think that's it for the evening glow. We are gonna head home and warm up.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed Colorfest. Consider coming out to Pagosa Springs sometime and checking it out for yourself. Bye.